Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What is a bladder infection? A bladder infection, which is a type of urinary tract infection, UTI, occurs when bacteria multiply in the bladder. While prescription antibiotics are the only proven way to cure a UTI, there are important at-home strategies you should use to help clear your infection and ease discomfort. Self-care can also help prevent you from getting bladder infections in the future. /r/n/r/n The symptoms that typically accompany a bladder infection include /r/n/r/n When you have symptoms of a bladder infection, you should call your healthcare provider. While the majority of UTIs are not serious, they don't resolve on their own and can cause complications, such as a kidney infection. A urine dipstick test, microscopy, and culture may be done to confirm you have a UTI. /r/n/r/n If you are diagnosed with a UTI, your healthcare provider will probably prescribe antibiotic treatment. The patient information that comes with your antibiotic will be helpful. More specifically, there may be foods or drinks that you need to avoid, depending on the drug you are prescribed. /r/n/r/n Also, be aware that some antibiotics can reduce the effectiveness of birth control pills. So, be sure to use other contraceptive methods if you need to. /r/n/r/n For effective treatment of a UTI, you have to take your complete course of antibiotics. /r/n/r/n Many people want to stop taking their medications once their symptoms resolve, but the full prescription is needed to ensure complete resolution of the infection, even if you are symptom-free. A urine test may be ordered about a week after completing treatment to confirm that the infection is gone. /r/n/r/n Antibiotics are needed to eliminate the infection, but there are some things you should also do at home to help alleviate your symptoms, to make sure the infection resolves, and to prevent a relapse. While you are taking antibiotics, it is important to follow a routine of self-care. /r/n/r/n You may be advised to take cranberry herbal supplements to prevent a bladder infection. /r/n/r/n There are a number of things you can do to lower your chances of getting another bladder infection. If you are prone to recurrent UTIs, you should make these preventative strategies a habit. /r/n/r/n While you may not want to call your doctor when you feel the symptoms of a bladder infection, at-home methods cannot actually cure a bladder infection. Nevertheless, self-care methods are an important part of UTI prevention and treatment. If you are prone to recurrent UTIs, be sure to talk to your doctor. You may need a more thorough evaluation to see why you have this tendency. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.